This video shows you how to fit a neoprene compact lanyard to a compact binocular. Use the quick release system to part the lanyard in two. You then take the nylon cord and thread it through the lug on the binocular. You then take the main part of the lanyard and thread it back through the nylon cord, and that is one side attached. You then take the other half of the lanyard, thread the nylon cord through the other lug on the binocular. You then thread the main part of the lanyard back through the nylon cord, and then your lanyard is attached.